Hey, it's Matt coming at you, and today I'm going to be talking about the easiest passive income streams and how I use them to make $340 a day. So why should you care about passive income personally? And there's plenty of reasons to do it, but the one main reason is that everybody wants their time back. You go to work and you're trading dollars for hours, meaning you're trying to make money, but you're giving away your time. If you can make money while you're sleeping, you get your time back. So imagine what you could do if you had all the time in the world. Would you be a painter? Would you be a runner like me? Or would you do cooking, surfing, anything? All of those things you can do with passive income if you just free up your time. That's all passive income does, is free up your time so you can do things with it. Or you can pay bills easier, you can pay off student loans, or you can drive that nice car you've always wanted. So that's my only goal in this video, is to teach you about passive income streams, how you can integrate them in your life, and hopefully free up your time, because maybe one day you don't want to make that 2-hour commute, or maybe you don't want to work 10 hours a day. I might add that 2-hour commute is still more time than I spend on these passive income streams. So I probably make about $124,000 a year in the time it takes you to commute to work. I'm not here to brag. I'm not here to show you how much money I make. I'm here to educate you on how to do what I am doing. So this year in 2019, I started 4 passive income streams that I've never done before, and they've yielded me $340 a day so far, which for the whole year comes out to $124,000. In this video, I want to teach you about these 4 easy passive income streams, how you can do them yourself, and at the very end of the video, I'm going to give you one key piece of advice that is going to be the difference between succeeding and failing with making passive income. So make sure you stay tuned till the end, and if you're excited to learn how I make $340 a day, please like and subscribe to this video. I would greatly appreciate it. I'll give you 2 seconds to do that. 1, 2, thank you. So I'm going to go through all my passive income streams from the easiest to the slightly harder ones and let you know which ones you can implement tomorrow. So the very first one is so simple, anybody can do it. Anybody can make money from this every day of the year. It involves affiliate programs, which just basically means you get paid when people sign up for things. So let's say you're knowledgeable in stocks, like I am. I love stocks. I follow them every day. If I tell people about a new stock platform like Robinhood and they sign up, I actually get money from a stock. So they give me a stock every time someone signs up. I get about $20 a day in stocks from Robinhood and Webull, and there's plenty of other things out there where you can make money from affiliate programs. I'm going to name a few right now. You have Amazon affiliate, eBay, Jet.com, Target. Right here is an article for the 72 best affiliate programs. And you're probably saying, oh, Matt, I don't have a YouTube channel. I can't make money as easily as you can. Well, you can. It's just going to require a little bit more work. Meaning you're probably going to have to reach out to all your friends, all your family, telling them about these programs. And if they're good programs that can help them in their life, they're going to sign up for them and you're going to get paid. It's as easy as that. Just a quick example, I'm integrated with Amazon affiliate. These are all great books I have read, and when you click any of them, it's going to bring you to Amazon.com, and it used my code to get you there. So if you buy this book after clicking it, I will get paid because you used my link. But let's say you're the camera guy. You list the best cameras to buy on your website or your blog. When people click that, you get paid as well. So if you are knowledgeable in any sector, knowledge pays. And the cool thing about affiliate programs is anybody can do it. Anybody can make money from it. I think it's a really easy way to create some passive income. So just to recap, out of my $340 I make a day, 20 of that is from affiliate programs like Robinhood and Webull, where I get paid when people sign up. Now we're going to get into another very easy passive income stream, and this involves having a house. You can probably guess what I'm going to say is Airbnb. I make anywhere between $80 to $100 a day on Airbnb, and this is all contingent on somebody being in the room, obviously, or else I'm not making money. But if you have a house, A house is an asset if you know how to use it, and I use mine every day to make myself money. Everybody's always nervous about Airbnb and the people that come in and if you're going to see them all the time, and I can tell you most of the time I don't really see the people that stay with me and they don't really do damage to the room they're in. So it's a win-win because I don't have to worry about them, I don't really see them, and they pay me. So it's pretty much passive income. I don't have to do much except change the sheets, manage the room when guests go in and out of it. And I just want to point out it's a super easy passive income stream, and if you have too much pride to have Airbnb people in your house, then you really have to rethink if you're ready for passive income and if you're ready to be an entrepreneur or if you're ready to make money on the side, because it just seems like such an obvious good idea to rent out 1 or 2 rooms in your house, maybe even the whole basement, to make a little bit of money, because 10 years from now that money really adds up. I will say this last month I paid off my whole mortgage payment this month and a little extra with Airbnb only. So I didn't have to pay to live in my house. How cool is that? How many people can say that? And this next passive income stream, a little bit harder for everyone to do, but it only took me a year to do it and make money from it. And this is what you're all watching right now, YouTube. If you're watching YouTube, people are getting paid if they have more than 1,000 subscribers. So last year I started YouTube making videos on the stock market, and in 1 year my channel hit 10,000 subscribers, and I am now getting paid about $1,000 a month, which breaks down to about $30 to $40 a day. Pretty recently I've been getting paid consistently $40, so that is the number I am using. So out of the $340 I get paid a day, about $40 of that comes from YouTube ads. So just you watching my channel, I'm getting paid $40 a day. I don't do it for the money though. I do it to put out content and value to the world, and I love what I do. So $40 is really just pennies compared to the time and effort I put into this channel. But here's the most exciting part about scalable passive income streams. Back 4 months ago, not even, I was making $20 on YouTube. That since then has doubled to $40 a day. So the growth potential of some passive income streams are amazing, and one day you could be making things you didn't even dream were possible. So keep that in mind and try to look for passive income streams that can scale well. And the last passive income stream is very related to YouTube. So you don't really need a social media following to do this, but it really helps. So you can create digital products, and digital products are something that people may buy, including a course, a subscription, maybe a t-shirt. Digital products, I'm just going to lump into this one category. They make me about $200 a day. So out of my $340, the majority of what I get paid is mostly from products. So I have a trading subscription. If you want to try it, 7 days for free, click the link in the bio. We had 700% trades in a row in the past 2 weeks. Pretty exciting, but I have people that pay me every day to be in this group, and that gives me about $200. So that is something I integrated for people because they asked for it. I didn't make this to make money. I made this because people wanted it. People saw me making great trades and they asked, hey, can I trade with you? Or can I get certain alerts? Or can I get trades sent out to me every day? And I said, sure. I'll try to make this group. And that's exactly what I did. I made a group based off the needs of my subscribers and my channel. But every day people make courses, online courses. People love to learn from other people that have done it. So if you have a unique skill, people will pay you to learn about your skill and what you know about it. So I would suggest going to Podia or going to some website and making an online course. I'm not going to promise you're going to make $200 a day because, like I said, it took me a year to start this business. It took me a year to start these passive income streams. So it's not easy. Not everyone can do it, and it takes time. So if you want to do any of these things, please be patient. Please put in the work and you will be rewarded after a certain amount of time. It could be 1 year, it could be 5 years. It all depends on how much you care about creating passive income. So the last thing I want to leave you with is the one difference between people who are successful and people that fail creating passive income streams. And it's basically what I said about my products, the products I make. You have to care about your customers. So you have to be going into this passive income stream. You have to be going into a business, maybe a YouTube channel, maybe a course that you're making. You have to go into everything you do caring about the customer. So your one mission right here, listen to this, is to put out value. Put out value into the world. If you put out value, people will be grateful. People will pay you for it eventually. But if you're going into it to make money, get out. Get out of the game. Go work your 40-hour-a-week job, because that is not going to make you successful. It's not going to create passive income. The best way to do it is just to put out valuable content to the world, valuable information that people like and enhances their life. So if you can do that, you're going to be successful in this, and I guarantee you're going to be much happier with your life. Once you start meeting people, changing people's lives, it's very fulfilling to put out valuable content and then see the change it puts in people. And the very last thing I'm going to leave you with is the 4 passive income streams I've created this year. One being I make $20 a day with affiliate programs. This is Robinhood and Webull. I just share my information on that platform and people sign up and I get paid. And number 2, the way I make passive income is I have Airbnb. So I rent out my house and that brings in about $80 a day. Obviously it has to be booked. Obviously, I don't make it every day, but I have the potential to do it. And then passive income stream number 3 is my YouTube channel. That gives me about $40 a day. And the cool thing about this is growth is unlimited. The channel can get as big as I want. It's pretty much. And then my last passive income stream, number 4, is the products I integrated to the channel. So the subscriptions, the courses, the clothes, that brings in about $200 a day, giving me in total $340 a day when I wake up. Call it the adult tooth fairy. I wake up, look under my pillow, there's $340 a day. Do it again the next day, do it again the next day. 7 days a week, 365 a year, I am waking up to this money. So I want to point out the most exciting and the key fact here is that one of the passive income streams will not scale, meaning I will not make more as time goes on, and that is Airbnb, because as I make more from Airbnb, my house doesn't get larger. I don't get more rooms I can rent out. I can invest that later down the road and do that, but all these other passive income streams will grow over time. YouTube, my products, affiliate programs, because if you think about it, when people see me on YouTube, that's going to grow and grow and grow if I keep putting out content. And that means more and more people are going to find out my products. They're going to find out the links I have for affiliate marketing. And that's going to grow exponentially. So imagine if I can multiply my income times 10 and multiply my channel by 10. Then I'm going to be making $3,400 a day. You can't do that in a real job. You can't just multiply your income by 10 in the next couple years, because it's just not possible. And that is the amazing thing about passive income, is the growth potential of it. I'm not all about money. I'm not all about wealth. I'm all about helping people understand it and enhancing their life. So I really hope you got something out of this video. If you want more videos on passive income, more videos on financial education, please click the videos to the right of me. I think you're going to love them. If you want to trade with me personally, trade alerts below that, 7 days for free. Thanks. Market Moves signing off. Peace.